Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how you can create this dashed arrow. So the line is dashed and then at the end there is an arrow, as you can see here. So I'm gonna delete this dashed line and then arrow these layers as well, so that we can start from the scratch. So select those layers and then hit delete, so that dashed line and then arrow is deleted. Now let us start from the scratch. So select the topmost layer and then on the left hand side go to the pen tool, or you can also press the P, that is the shortcut key to select the pen tool. Once the pen tool is selected, at the top you will see these options. So select shape over here. In the fill you have to make sure that you are selecting this thing, no color, and then in the stroke you can select the color with which you want to draw the dash line. So I'm gonna select the white and then here the width of that stroke, so keep it 10 pixel, or if you want to increase it you can increase or decrease. Here by default a stroke option will be this one, the continuous line, but if you need the dash line you can select this one. That's it. Once the settings are done you can start drawing the line. So I want the line to start from here and end it here with a little bit of curve. So I'm gonna click here, this is the starting point and this is the ending point. So in the second point you don't have to click, you have to click and then drag. Okay, click and drag. So click and then I'm gonna drag the mouse. So as you can see, as I start dragging the mouse, the curve is being generated, and this curve depends upon the height of the handle. You can see this line with the two round white circles. As you increase the height or you rotate that handle, the curve will be changing. And once you are happy with the curve, what you have to do is you have to release the mouse, and you can see the beautiful dash line is generated. Now next thing that we want to do is that we want to add the arrow at the end. So you can see there is no arrow at this point of time. So to do that, again select the pen tool and then we are going to draw the rectangle. So we need the 3 points. First point will be here, second point will be here, third point is gonna be here, and then finally to close this triangle just click the first. And now that arrow is generated, but you can see that it is not looking like an arrow, and the reason why it doesn't look like an triangle or the arrow is because we had to choose this fill and stroke. So basically we have to fill this arrow with the color. So currently the fill color is none, so you have to select the white color here, and then now if you click on layer 0 you can see that arrow is generated for us. That's it. That's how you can generate this beautiful dash line and then arrow at the end. Thanks for watching.